Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use less data on Instagram. So just tap on my Instagram account and officially logged in, and now move in my profile icon, which is top right bottom corner, and here I will just tap on the top right corner of three lines of settings, and after insert I will a little bit scroll down to find media. When you reach on it, so then tap on this media quality, and after inside you will see there is a use less cellular data. So using less cellular data may affect your experience on Instagram. For example, photos and videos may take longer to load. So that's it all of use of less cellular data on Instagram. So you will just tap to turn it on. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.